Alright guys, so in today's episode we're going to be using Memefast.Fun. The only reason why we're not going to be using Pump.Fun anymore is that Pump.Fun was, the early website to launch meme coins, and it's no longer relevant, right? Although everybody knows that, people that create coins in there are just trying to scam, rug, do all these things to get some money. And those coins that are created in Pump Fund do not graduate onto other platforms like Radium, right? Where the majority of people are going to Radium because it's more a credible website that, those coins that are made there have um, more security on them, people put more thought into it, and so the reason why we're using Memecoin.Fun, right, is because A, you can not only create a coin that it's already been made, and you can see here that, they're growing at a fast pace. Look at this one just jumped right now. And so they're growing at a fast pace. So you can just create a coin, the same one as that one, right? The same one as this one, and steal the amount of people that are going into this coin into your coin. So basically just copy and pasting a coin that already exists and, trying to make a profit off of that. Or B, you can create a coin, from scratch from something that might be trending or it is trending, right? And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to create a coin from scratch. So we're going to go ahead and create a coin up here, create a coin, and then we're just going to name it something, crazy like Elon's 4chan account, right? And then I'm gonna figure out a token symbol right now, and then I'm gonna look on Google for a image, and so I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm basically back, and this is gonna be the token symbol. This is gonna be the image. Try to find cringe ass images, bro. The more cringer it is, the more funnier it is. The more people are gonna buy it, because that's literally what it is. It's a meme, right? We're just gonna go up with that, click next. Total supply, you're just gonna leave it as is, and then for the description, you're just gonna put something like Elon's a hero. I don't know, something like that. And then when you come to this page right here, guys, you want to go ahead and make sure you select all of these, right? So this is going to give your coin the most credible position there is in meme coins, right? So people are gonna entrust that this coin gives them the best outcome there is into meme coins, and basically tells them that they're not gonna get scammed, um, you know, and shit like that. So you'd go here and just gonna go ahead and create a coin. So once you create the coin, you guys, gonna ask you to sign into your Phantom wallet. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Sign into my Phantom wallet. So once you create that, it's gonna ask a series of questions. Just keep claiming confirm, confirm. I understand, confirm, right? And so once you do that, your token is successfully created. So you can create liquidity pool, you can view on Explorer, you can view transaction. So that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. We're gonna go ahead and create the liquidity pool. That's where you take out your profit. So when you're creating your liquidity pool, you want to make sure your amount token A is set to 90% max, and amount token B, right? That's how much SOL you have to invest into your own coin. So when you go and type in the amount token for B, it literally says there you need zero point 0.3 SOL. So we're gonna go ahead and type in zero point 0.3 SOL for the coin. It is a fee, unfortunately, but in the grand scheme of things, this fee is not gonna matter as much as the amount of money you're gonna be fucking making. All right, so sometimes you have to put a little bit more. It won't let you for some reason. Um, so just if zero point 0.3 doesn't work, go with click the max button and just create your pool. Once you create your pool, right, it's going to turn you to this page, and boom, it is created. So your coin has been created. You have to confirm everything, right, and then you have to go and look at it on the Photon app. All right, guys, so we are on here on the deck screener. We're looking at our coin that we just launched, and it's already pumping, guys. As you can see here, this is a live video of the coin, right? Elon's 4chan account right here that we made, where we can see the coin pumping. And as you see the coin pumping, guys, we can go back into memefun.fast and just rug the hell out of the coin. So that's the next step. So we're gonna go into step 3, which is rugging the coin. Alright guys, so this coin is currently now at 932 in profit. You can see 7.8. So all you have to do now basically, if you want to take 75%, 50%, 25%, or 100% of the liquidity, right? Just go ahead and click one of the buttons up there and click remove liquidity. So we're going to go ahead and remove liquidity and see how it looks on the Dexter screener. So there it is guys, the rug is there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.